Hi, my name is Brittany Mulder, and today I'm going to be teaching you all on sig figs. At first, I'm going to go over a few rules, and then we're going to go over examples. The first rule for significant figures is that all non-zero numbers are significant. And an example of that would be 76 or 81. The second rule are zeros between numbers are significant. An example of that would be 706 or 901. The third rule is that a zero is significant if it is located behind a non-zero number and it contains a decimal point. And an example would be 700.0 or 0.070. We're going to go over a few examples of how to figure out what a sig fig, like how many sig figs are in an example problem. The first problem is 3,422. And in this problem, there are 4 sig figs, as you could see. And that's what you would put for your answer. The second problem is 9.03. And in this equation, there are 3 sig figs. There's the 9, the 0, and the 3. The 0 is significant because it's between 2 non-zero numbers. And the third example is 0.0790. And in this equation, there are 3 sig figs as well. You count the 7 first, and then the 9 and the 0 that follow it as the sig figs. The next topic I'm going to be speaking about with sig figs is rounding off numbers. And a few little examples or a few little rules when you're rounding off numbers is that if the number behind the last sig fig is below 4, then you leave it be. You don't change the number, you don't bring it up 1. But if the number is 5 or above, then you round up. So for example, if the last sig fig in a problem is 4 and the number after that is 5, then you round up that last sig fig to 5. And little examples for rounding up numbers or rounding down numbers is the first one, 85.790. And in this problem, they're asking for 3 sig figs. So the 3 sig figs would be 85.7. And because the 9 is behind the 7, that's the number you use to round up or round down. And because the 9 is above 5, then you would round up. And the answer for that problem would be 85.8. The second equation that I'm going to go over is 1,295.028. And it's asking you to round to 4 sig figs. So the 4 sig figs in this problem would be 1,295. And because the 0 is behind the last sig fig, you would use the 0 to round up or round down. And because the 0 is below 4, you would leave the sig fig in front of it alone, which would make this answer for this problem 1,295. The last thing that I'm going to be speaking about is when you're multiplying or dividing, you must report your answer in the least amount of sig figs. So for example, if you have 6.0 times 10.0, the answer will be 60.0, but because the least amount of sig figs is 2, because of this 6.0, you would change your answer to 60 because it would be in 2 sig figs. Well, thank you. I hope you enjoyed my presentation on sig figs, and I hope it helped you. Have a great day.